Hey, what's up guys, welcome back. So there you have it. This is the 2018 Samsung Galaxy wireless charger, and if you don't already know, let me tell you that this one does not become a pad. The 2017 wireless charger used to act like a pad or a stand, whatever you want, but this one, yeah, it doesn't do that. This one is just a stand, and I guess this is what most people really want, a stand charger. It's wrapped in these air bubbles to protect it from accidental drops, and I don't have any crazy knife, but this blade will do just the fine trick. And don't play with blades. Let's get rid of these air bubbles and then let's pull it out of this protective plastic cover. It's the bill, I guess. Let me open it. Yeah, it's definitely the bill. It has this plastic hook for hanging it or carrying it, but I don't know who carries a Samsung wireless charger case. At the back some information is written like fast and convenient wireless charging, Samsung wireless charger stand, and inside the box we will get the wireless charger and the Quickstart guide. We don't get the wall adapter with this, so you have to use the charger provided with your phone. Let's open it. Number 1, number 2, number 3, and finally the number 4. Number 4. After cutting through all of these, we can slide out the box, and the first thing we will see is the Samsung fast charger itself. Let's take the charger out and see how it feels in hand. It feels good and premium. I know, even though it's made up of plastic, it feels really premium. And there's one thing I have to tell you, and I know you might not believe me, but this quick start guide, it looked like a battery at first. It looked like an old Nokia phone battery. Just look at it. It's squared, it's white, and it's the same size as the Nokia battery. So I was fooled, even though I knew that it doesn't require batteries. I tried my best to take this thing out without damaging the box, but I couldn't, so I give up. And by the way, I'm not the biggest fan of never give up. I'm John Cena fan, but not his never give up thing. This is the Samsung fast charger itself. It's nice, soft and rubbery. At the back, it has the fans to keep it cool and a USB Type-C charging slot, which you have to use your own charger because they don't provide any separate charger inside the box. At the front, it has this chin so that your phone doesn't slide away, because it will be a buzzkiller if your phone is sliding regularly. At the bottom, it has this nice grippy rubber so that your charger doesn't slide away on a slippery surface. The only downside I think for this charger is that it is slower than regular wired charging. I will be doing a speed comparison between them, so make sure to subscribe for that and let's test it. Is it working or not? And by the way, you shouldn't use third-party cheap adapters on this wireless charger because Samsung says that it might damage the wireless charging station permanently. So now let's quickly test the wireless charger, shall we? We have the bad boy Galaxy S9 Plus with us, so place it on charger and bam! There you go, it's charging right away. And if you want to use your fingerprints, then good luck with that, because it's hidden, it's completely unreachable. You can see that we can barely see the fingerprint scanner on this one. It was not a problem on the Galaxy S8, but on the S9 you can just barely touch the scanner, so good luck in doing that. You have to use your iris scanner. So now let's try landscape mode. It takes a second or two to start charging, but who cares about a second or two? At the back we have the list of the compatible Samsung phones for wireless charger: Galaxy Note 8, S8, S8 Plus, S7, S7 Edge, Galaxy Note 5, Galaxy S6 Edge, and later on. Surprisingly, it does not say the Galaxy S9 which it's built for. At the side it says fast wireless charging, compatible with G certified products, and portrait and landscape viewing mode. At the side of the charger it says net contents on wireless charger on Quickstart guide, March 2018 manufacturing date, 3,299 Indian rupees, which is the price, which translates into roughly $50 US, which is a little bit high for a wireless charger. I will be doing the charging speed comparison between wireless and wired charging on the Galaxy S9 Plus, so make sure to subscribe for that. Make sure to hit the like button, it's not far away, it's just sitting there, so please press it. And until next time, peace out.